If your vocal production and your vocal mixing isn't right, then your song totally sucks. So in this video, I will break down exactly step by step how you can mix your own vocals. If you're looking to get that pro pop sound quality on your vocals, then this is exactly how you should do it. And this is the vocals inside of the project.
It's all you need, but since you love it, if you hate it, it don't bother me. Just come on over, bring your energy.
So the first part and most important step in your vocal production is to get a good vocal recording. So in this case, I got a singer called Mo Bentley. This is her song. She's an amazing singer, so getting a good vocal recording isn't that hard. And if you or your artist isn't a great singer from the beginning, then of course use autotune or waves tune or whatever, but make sure that your vocal recording is good enough with the tuner then. So this is our raw vocals.
I'm gonna love you like a fantasy. Gonna love you like a...
Doesn't really fit inside of the mix at all. And the first step to getting your vocals sound good is to remove any of these kind of low frequencies here that we don't need. This is a female singer, so her voice doesn't have too much of that lower frequencies. So I just cut that out. And then I put a dynamic EQ right here because I felt like there are some nasty frequencies here
I'm gonna love you like a fantasy.
that I just wanted to tame a little bit. Then just boost the highs. Always boost the highs on your vocals. Be more careful when you are mixing female singers because females often have more of that naturally high voice. So don't boost too much.
Love you like a fantasy. Gonna love you like it's just you and me.
So that's the first part to our vocal rack here. Next part is a CLA 76, just to tame that vocal a little bit.
I'm gonna love you like a fantasy.
I have the release all the way up to 7 and the attack at 3.5, ratio at 4. We're not doing too
I'm
much.
gonna love you like a fantasy. Gonna love you like it's...
I just want to tame that vocal a little bit. And then we go into a CLA 2A and we crank this motherfucker up to the roof.
I'm gonna love you like a fantasy. Gonna love you like it's just you and me.
And we do that because in pop music, the vocals are often super compressed. And actually, I think it sounds good. So don't be scared to overcompress your vocals. If you're overcompressing your vocals, they will sound bad. As long as you can do it in a way that it still sounds good, go for it. Then we go into a C4. All I've done here is that I bypassed the low frequencies here because we're not using them. Then I just made sure to not compress too much on the mids and not too much on the upper mids, and on the super highs here I compressed a little bit more just to de-ess that vocal a little bit. Because if you have too much high frequencies in your frequency spectrum, those S's and T will start to hurt your ears. So make sure to compress that upper highs here. As you can see, those are quite nasty frequencies.
I'm gonna love you like a fantasy. Gonna love you like it's just you and me.
And then we go into kind of a weird one, and this isn't typical at all for a vocal rack, a vocal preset, but I actually sidechain or, pump my vocals a little bit. Not much, just a little bit to give it that movement. So the volume actually goes up and down. So you get that pumping effect.
I'm gonna love you like a fantasy. Gonna love you like it's just you and me.
It's barely noticeable, but in the drop here, if I crank it up,
But since you love it, if you hate it, it don't bother me.
doesn't sound good, but not too much. You shouldn't have too much. Just a little bit to get that movement. After that, we go into a de-esser again, just to tame those highs a little bit using the waves de-esser here. Then we go into an H delay on the simple ping pong preset, taking down the wetness here to 14. Then we're going into Valhalla Vintage Verb. I actually like this default preset. I always leave the mix at 11.6, 12% here. This preset here, the default preset, is great. Sometimes you have to cut the lows and maybe cut the highs a little bit, but that's how you mix vocals like a pro.
I'm gonna love you like a fantasy. Gonna love you like it's just you and me. This type of body, babe, it's all you need. It's all you need. But send your love and if you hate it, it don't bother me. Just come on over, bring your energy. It's all we need.
So if you just follow these steps, get a good vocal recording, and make sure to tweak your preset after your singer or yourself, then I'm sure you'll have a great song. So that's how you mix vocals. Beginner's guide.